A plank of federal legislation ran straight into a Supreme Court buzzsaw today, again. On the docket, medical marijuana and the rules for using it. The court called the law arbitrary, sparking a fired-up ministerial response.
I'm outraged by the Supreme Court. Marijuana cookies and brownies are quote-unquote medicinal. The
relief a lot of medical marijuana users expressed today was predictable, but the anger Canada's health minister aimed at the Supreme Court after the government lost another big case, that was unexpected.
I'm outraged by the Supreme Court. Outraged.
You made my day.
Medical marijuana advocates celebrated the ruling that said Ottawa's insistence that users only smoke or otherwise inhale pot instead of consuming it in other ways was arbitrary, unhealthy, and unconstitutional.
So, another high-profile conflict, this time over a pretty simple question. Having told some ill Canadians they can smoke pot, can the government send them to prison for eating it?
Owen Smith was the marijuana baker whose arrest 6 years ago led to the ruling.
It is a profound honor to be the person standing here at the center of a really important case
Judges.
for some seriously ill people.
Judges have decided something is a medicine. Never in the history of Canada has a drug become a medicine because judges deemed it so. There is a regulatory approval process for the Health Canada, and that's with clinical evidence and safety review so that we can protect the health of people.
What will you do about it, though? What can you do? The judges just ruled.
We will continue to fight against this kind of message. We, as I've said repeatedly, this is a larger issue. We have to continue to get the message that this is not.
The Harper government has never wanted Canadians using marijuana for any reason.
But the government has lost and lost and lost, and we have won and won and won.
Among those congratulating Smith today was Mandy McKnight. Her 7-year-old son Liam is one of Canada's youngest marijuana patients.
As I said, I'm outraged by the Supreme Court. Outraged.
I'm wondering, is there something you can actually do in terms of legal procedures of any sorts that to stop this from happening?
Well, I'm Canada's health minister, and I am never going to tell Canadians that marijuana is a medicine.
Liam's rare form of epilepsy can trigger up to 70 seizures a day, but McKnight says drops of marijuana-laced coconut oil give him peace.
We were always told that smoking was our only option. So who's going to make a 7-year-old smoke pot?
Well, I'm Canada's health minister.
Frankly, I'm outraged.
We've launched an ad campaign.